Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. The Risalah of Allah, I Allah want to spread my Risalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. O Ruqayyah, give it access to Abu Fuad. Indeed, they are very hungry and need your help. Give to the others after that. Those who spread my Risalah, this day I Allah have commanded my witnesses to help them, and those who mention their name, Ahmad Habibi, because I Allah want to spread my Risalah. Open Surah An-Najm, verse 12 to 15. O Ruqayyah. Surah An-Najm, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It means, verse 12, How can you, O pagan, dispute with him regarding what you saw? Verse 13, and he certainly saw the angel descend a second time. Verse 14, and the Lord tree at the most extreme limit at the seventh heaven. Verse 15, near which is the garden of the eternal resident. Ulaika ala hudam min rabbir rahim wa ulaika humul muflihun. It means is that who are to be gathered by the Rabb, and is that who will be successful. Amin ya Allah, ya Rabb, ya Sami, ya Basir. Alhamdulillah.